Music is something that is very personal, and music is something that has meaning to everybody.
Music adds that perfect complement to whatever you're experiencing.
Music has a beginning, a journey, and a destination. And so does driving a car.
Driving and the music give something chemical reaction in your mind.
For many people, the best sounding audio system they have is actually their vehicle.
Driving is always fun, and you can underline this, of course, with your special soundtrack.
It's sort of like the soundtrack of life.
It's very difficult to make all those different musical sounds in a car.
You really can't have much control over the aiming of the speakers because you have packaging concerns and constraints.
So a car is actually an acoustically hostile place.
We need to design the car itself for nice sound.
Our original reference is the natural sound of instruments, and our goal is to replicate that in the vehicle.
It was all about understanding how people process sound and hear that we were able to deliver this listening experience.
Can we bring you to the live event? Can we bring you to what the producer intended? And that technology in that car enable that.
I had a gut feeling that this could give a revolutionary car sound system, and my dream come true.
With the TrueSpace technology, we're able to take headrest speakers and pull the sound out of the headrest.
When I listen to the bass match system, you have sound pressure.
The bass is very solid, impactful, and really enjoyable to listen to.
We want you to be able to drive down the road and hear that singer's gasp as they're about to sing a big note.
The only way to know that you have a great audio system is to sit in the seat, listen to it, and make sure it gives you that feeling.
Everyone who's working for Mazda, and as well for Bose, are people with passion.
I like to say, until I can close my eyes and believe that I'm in Symphony Hall, our work is not done.